What's up everybody? It's Dave from Both Lighting USA. I've got another fixture overview and settings video for you today, and this time it's our FX Pix Bar 1000. The Pix Bar is a battery powered and wireless DMX wash bar fixture. It has 3 different types of LEDs on it. It's got 2 different strobes, a soft white and a bright white strobe, and it's got 2 LED strips that have RGB. So this fixture can not only be used as a blinder like a bright white strobe, but it can also be used as a color wash. And as you can see, it's got a bunch of really cool built-in patterns, and this thing looks awesome in the haze. Take a look. Let's do a demo of the fixture, and then I'll give you an overview of all the settings and all the inputs and outputs. Here we go. Let's start by taking a look around the fixture, and we'll go from left to right. So on the left side of the fixture, you've got your power con in and out. You can run this fixture wired, but it does have a battery inside. You also have got your clamp on this side, and you do have another clamp on the other side that rotates forward and backward. Coming around to the top of the fixture, you've got a battery life indicator, a 4 LED battery life, high to low. You've got your wireless DMX channel right there, so that LED indicates the color of the wireless DMX channel. On the back, you've got your microphone over there next to the display. You have your IR receiver for the remote. You have an on and off button for the fixture. And going around to the other side, you do have a hardwired 3-pin DMX in and out. So you can officially hardwire these fixtures with PowerCon and with DMX. You can daisy chain them together, but you do also have the battery power and the wireless DMX capabilities. Here's just a little bit of a closer look up at the front of the fixture. You have your bright white LED strobes right here on these lines. You have your soft white LED strobes right here in the center. And then you have your RGB LED strips going all the way down the fixture. Taking a look at the fixture, it's always going to turn on and start to the last settings that you used. So right now it's in the DMX address mode because we've been running it on DMX. It says A461 right here, so you can use the up and down arrows to change the DMX channel, and make sure that you press enter to set your settings. Moving on, you can press menu, and now you see CHND, which is your DMX channel numbers. So you can run this thing in 14 channel mode, 75 channel mode, or 5 channel mode, with 75 channel mode being individual pixel control of every single LED on the front of the fixture. Our pre-programmed sound switch and wolf mix files are running in 14 channel mode, which is a nice happy medium between the super basic and the super advanced. Moving on from menu, we have your fail screen. So fail is what happens when you lose DMX signal. So if you press enter, you either have fail off or fail hold. If you have it on hold, let's press enter because we do recommend keeping it on hold. That will stop the fixture and leave it exactly at what it was doing, at what color it was producing when the DMX signal got lost. If you leave it on off, let's press enter and leave it on off instead of hold. When it loses DMX signal, it's actually just going to completely black out the fixture. So we recommend leaving it on hold because if something happens, you don't want your entire setup to black out, or even just one fixture to black out. You want it to stop and stay frozen at a color. And if your signal comes back in an instant, you won't even notice that it was gone. Let's continue. Here you have your auto settings. I believe you have 35 different automatic shows, 1 to 35, that's correct, and you'll see they all do very interesting different things. Press menu and you have your sound active mode, and you actually have 5 different sound active mode options, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Press menu and you have your manual control. So if you wanted to manually control each individual diode of the fixture, you have your red, your green, your blue, and your white, and your other white. This is your soft white right here. They say it as yellow, but this is your soft white. So you have individual control of each of the colors to make your own fully custom color. Moving on from manual, you have your 2.4G. That's your wireless DMX. You can basically turn your wireless DMX on and off. We always leave it on. Of course, we use wireless DMX here, but if you're hardwiring, you can turn that wireless DMX off. Moving further into the menu, you have your IRCL. This is your IR control. So once again, if you're using a remote, you definitely want to keep your IR control on. If you're not using a remote, you can turn your IR control off and press enter to save your settings. Moving forward, one final screen here, and it is the LED screen, and this is basically your sleep mode. So if you press enter and you have this on, that means your fixture screen back here will dim after a certain number of seconds until you press the button to wake it back up. We always leave this on so you don't have this random red, orange light coming off of the back. And there you go, that brings you right back around to the front. You've got your A and your DMX address. So right now we are back in DMX mode and we've looked at all the settings. Well, there you have it. Thanks so much for watching this video on the Both Lighting USA FX Pix Bar 1000. If you have any questions about the fixture, let us know in the comments below. And if you're interested in purchasing this unit, go ahead into the description of the video. We've got a link there for you. And from there on our website, you can reach out to us, call, text, email, DM. We are here for you. We've got DMX and lighting experts available. We're super happy to answer all your questions and get the right lighting in your hands. Give us a call or check out the website below. Thank you so much for watching.